We collaborate with BMW Group Design Works to create our unique award-winning designs. Our products are free from substances of concern according to REACH regulations. We have been manufacturing in Germany for almost 100 years, producing over 1 million pens every working day. Our manufacturing plant uses 100% green hydroelectric power generated by the local river Main. 100% of our production waste is either reused or recycled. All our pens contain genuinely part recycled material. The component parts of our plastic pens are non-air freighted from Germany, keeping our carbon footprint to a minimum. Our bio ranges are made from sugarcane. We are a manufacturer, meaning repeat orders have the same high quality results. We are SMETA 4-pillar audited and certified, members of SEDEX, BSCI, a founding BPMA Charter supplier and ISO 9001 and 14001 compliant. SMETA and our employees actively work with local charities to give back to their communities. Our high-class branding ensures quality, durable advertising, guaranteed to last the lifetime of the pen. You can sign your name over 11,000 times with the Magic Flow G2 refill in a SMETA pen, which lasts on average 16 times longer than a Far East pen. We supply industries from automotive to pharmaceutical, legal and more. In fact, we are trusted to produce for the world's top 10 brands. Year on year, pens top the list of promo items. They are a cost-effective, usable and portable promo product.